It's getting hotter day by day. ورځ تر ورځه ګرمي سیوا کیږي. It's getting hotter day by day. You are just in time. ته بیخي په وخت راغلی. You are just in time. Tell me what should I do. ووایه راته چې ماله څه کول پکار دي. Tell me what should I do. You are good. ته ښه. You are good. I have no other alternative. ما سره څه بله لار نشته. I have no other alternative. Whose house is that? هغه د چا کور دی. Whose house is that? I am taller than you. زه تا نه دنګ یم. I am taller than you. Which city are you from? ته د کوم ښار نه یې. Which city are you from? What do you not have? تا سره څه نشته. What do you not have? What is that? هغه څه دی. What is that? This is my love for you. دا ستا د پاره زما مینه ده. This is my love for you. She was tired. هغه ستړې وه. She was tired. We were sitting. مونږ ناست وو. We were sitting. I am not there in this photograph. زه په دې فوټو کې نه یم راغلی. I am not there in this photograph. Until when were you there in office? ته د کوم وخت پورې دفتر کې وې. Until when were you there in office? How much petrol is there in the car? په موټر کې څومره پیټرول دی. How much petrol is there in the car? How much money do you have? تا سره څومره روپۍ دي. How much money do you have? Which city are you in right now? ته اوس په کوم ښار کې یې. Which city are you in right now? I am lost in your dreams. زه ستا په خوبونو کې ورک شوی یم. I am lost in your dreams. I was scared. زه یریدلی وم. I was scared. I never shirk the responsibilities. زه هیڅکله د ذمهواریانو نه ځان نه پټوم. I never shirk the responsibilities. I am not shirking the work. زه د کار نه ځان نه پټوم. I am not shirking the work. Adversity tries one's patience. مصیبت د صبر امتحان اخلي. Adversity tries one's patience. I don't want to be addicted to it. زه په دې عادت کېده نه غواړم. I don't want to be addicted to it. He is addicted to smoking. هغه په سیګریټو سکو عادت شوی دی. He is addicted to smoking. What a fragrance. کومه خوشبو ده. What a fragrance. This flower smells great. د دې ګل خوشبو ډیره ښکلې ده. This flower smells great. Why are you so? ته داسې ولې یې. Why are you so? Do you not have brain? آیا ستا سره دماغ نشته. Do you not have brain? What are you sad for? ته په څه خبره خفه یې؟ What are you sad for? How many people are there? هغلته څومره خلق دی؟ How many people are there? We all are with you. مونږ ټول تا سره یو. We all are with you. You didn't even think about him. ستا د هغه لږ هم خیال رانغی. You didn't even think about him. Why were you late this morning? نن سحر تا ولی ناوخته کړی و. Why were you late this morning? May I ask you why? آیا زه پوښتنه کوی شم چې ولی؟ May I ask you why? Why did you run from there? ته ولی د هغې ځای نه وتښتېدې؟ Why did you run from there? Why are you disappointed? ته مایوسه ولی یې؟ Why are you disappointed? How many children do you have? ستا څو واړه دي؟ How many children do you have? How much time do you spend on mobile? ته په موبایل څومره وخت خرچه کوې؟ How much time do you spend on mobile? How far is the bus stop from here? د دې ځای نه د بس اډه څومره لرې ده؟ How far is the bus stop from here? I know where you live. ما ته پته ده چې ته کوم ځای اوسیږي. I know where you live. Don't wait up. انتظار مه کوه. Don't wait up. I am afraid of ghosts. زه د پیریانو نه یریږم. I am afraid of ghosts. I'm not afraid of ghosts. زه د پیریانو نه یریږم. I'm not afraid of ghosts. That movie was scary. هغه فلم د یری و. That movie was scary. Everybody is afraid of something. هر څوک د څه نه یریږي. Everybody is afraid of something. Look into my eyes. زما په سترګو کې وګوره. Look into my eyes. Your eyes are red. ستا سترګې سرې دي. Your eyes are red. What are you looking at? ته څه ګورې؟ What are you looking at? Have a look at this. په دې یو نظر واچوه. Have a look at this. He winked at me. هغه ما ته سترګه ووهله. He winked at me. I like to be busy always. زما تل مصروفه کېده خوښ دي. I like to be busy always. What took you so long? څه شي ستا دومره وخت واغست؟ What took you so long? I am sorry I am late. بخښنه غواړم په ما ناوخته شو. I am sorry I am late. I was stuck in traffic. زه په ټریفیک کې ګیر شوی وم. I was stuck in traffic. Could you repeat that please? آیا ته به بیا ووایې؟ Could you repeat that please? Your voice is breaking up. ستا आवाज کټ کیږي. Your voice is breaking up. I can't hear you. ستا आवाज نه راځي. I can't hear you. Could you speak up please? آیا ته به لږ په زور سره ووایې؟ Could you speak up, please? Okay, I'm gonna hang up now. Saida was the phone gdam. Okay, I'm gonna hang up now. Please don't hang up. مهرباني وکه فون مگدا. Please don't hang up. My battery is dead. زما بیټری ختم شوه. My battery is dead. Sorry, my phone was dead. بهانه غواړم بیټری می ختمه شوې وه. Sorry, my phone was dead. Sorry, we were cut up. بهانه غواړم کال کټ شوی و. Sorry, we were cut up. I am fine and how are you? زه ښه یم او ته څنګه یې؟ I am fine and how are you? And how is everybody at home? او کور ټول خلق څنګ دی؟ And how is everybody at home? Thank you for calling. د فون کولو مننه. Thank you for calling. I will love you forever. زه به تل ستا سره مینه کوم. I will love you forever. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.